cheesy and satisfying with all the goodness of spinach and corn. Let's make easy cheesy spinach corn toast. In a pan, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter has heated, I'm adding 4 garlic cloves chopped, 3 green chilies chopped, half a cup of sweet corn, 1 tablespoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Saute for a minute. I'm adding to this 2 tablespoons of plain flour. You can even use whole wheat flour. Stir for a minute until the rawness of the flour has gone away. Next goes in 500 grams of finely chopped spinach, and half a cup of milk. I'm bringing everything together with a good stir, and we will let the mixture thicken on the low heat. This would take around 1.5 minutes. Once done, I'm adding 1 cheese slice and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix them in, and we have a creamy and cheesy filling for the toast ready. I'm transferring it to a plate to cool down. Once it does, we can move on to assembling the sandwich, for which I'm taking 6 bread slices, butter, and grated mozzarella cheese. Here, I'm taking a pair of bread slices and applying butter on one side. Take the spinach corn filling and spread it on a single slice. Follow this up with some grated mozzarella cheese over the top. I'm placing the other bread slice over this filling and pressing gently. In the same way, I'm assembling the rest. Time to toast the sandwiches. I have a gas toaster here. You can even grill or toast on a tawa. I'm brushing the toasting plate with a little bit of butter. Next, I'm placing the assembled sandwich on the greased plate and applying some butter on the top side. We will let this toast until the bread slices turn red and crispy on both the sides. This one is toasted. Let's do the rest of them too. Crispy toasts are done. You can serve them just as it is or cut them into halves. Have some ketchup and green chutney on the sides, and trust me, this will become one of the favorites at your home. Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.